You know, gold is the king of investment. But what if I told you its cousin is 30 times rarer? Yes, I'm talking about platinum. So let's see one by one how platinum is ruling right now in this past 1 year. So before that, if you are new this to this channel, you can subscribe and let me know how can improve my video in future. Today we are talking about the platinum, the strategic metal of the future. I just want to give you a brief introduction about this. In this video, I'll show you why platinum is undervalued and how to buy it using IndMoney app. So if you are new, rightly click the link and download. Before that, a small disclaimer, I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. Please do your own research. I'm just explaining my own thoughts and my observation about this. Let's compare why platinum over gold over the history. So gold is a edge against fear, but platinum is a edge for industrial growth. You may wondering why right now platinum and copper it's ruling compared to gold and silver in future. Let's see. For hydrogen fuel cells to luxury jewelry, platinum is everywhere but extremely hard to find. Historically, platinum is more expensive than gold, but right now it's trading at a discount. This creates a massive value gap for smart investors like you. And if you see mining also, compared to gold, platinum is more hard to find. Now, buying physically platinum in India is tough because of high taxes and storage issues. The best way buying US based platinum ETFs through the IND Money app. This app only I know and I am investing, so that's why I'm sharing this app. So let's jump into the mobile screen for a step-by-step tutorial. So right now you need to go to Play Store and search for IND Money and end over to the US stocks section. I will show that. If you haven't completed your KYC, it only take 2 minutes with your PAN and Aadhaar. You need to verify your KYC first and then you need to jump out to this search screen. Okay. After that, you need to fund your USD wallet. So for that you need to add your INR to USD conversion. For this you need either three account. I will show you a quick demo and then we will start investing. And the market hours is night 8 to 1 o'clock. So you can put your pre-order also. So for example, I'm just sharing the demo one. So if you need click buy and you need to buy either through shares or in dollars. What amazing part is you can buy with just $1. So first you need to click the add money. So I'm using desktop AND money version. So you need to add through either in Google Pay or App Store. You need to download and add the money through HDFC Bank if you have, or ICIC Bank or Axis Bank. You don't have these three account means you can quickly do some KYC for Federal Bank and you can add money and it's just a zero balance account only. So no need to worry about anything. And coming to after adding your INR to UPI, it will take around 24 to 48 hours. After that, you can get your money in your wallet and you will get some quick mails or messages about your transaction. So after convert to dollar, search for the ticket like PPLT. This is the Abden Physical Platinum ETF. So this ETF is backed by actual physical platinum scored in secure wallets in London. So let's search PPLT. So you can see Abden Platinum ETF Trust. So this trust is owned by London company. So it's currently trading in $220. You can buy just with $1 also. Example in INR, you can buy just with 100 rupees. And right now, if you see last 1 year, it gives a return around 166.32 percentage. And overall last 5 year returns, if you see, it give just low returns only. But right now, that in 2025, the demand is increasing. And if you see the chart, in last 3 months itself, it gives around 100 percentage of return. And the next thing, click buy, and the best part you can start is just $1, as I already said. Enter your amount and confirm the order, and you are now a platinum investor. So just go to the buy section and you can buy. Okay, here if you see buy symbol, and in mobile it will show our left side, and you need to add your money. After adding, you can buy just through $1 itself. And before that, guys, you need to complete the KYC. It will take around 10 to 20 minutes to verify your all documents. After that, you can definitely buy, but loading the money is main thing, because it will take 24 hours, not like just like grow or zero the app you can add instantly, because it will take some time. But if you don't want this, you can open a federal bank account, but I didn't recommend that. If you don't have any account from HDFC or Axis or ICCI, you can choose this, because it will instantly open within 5 to 10 minutes, but I didn't open because I have HDFC account. And the next thing, wait for US market to open in the evening to see your trade execute. And you need to check whether your trade executed or not when US market opened. You can paste the put the order also. I have mobile version video in Tamil. So if you want, you can search that video, or I will put that video in description in mobile mode how to do it. So you can check out. And so what are the risks like any commodity between this gold and platinum? Absolutely, platinum can be volatile, so you need to know about this, and don't put all your money into this. Also keep an eye on the USD INR exchange rate, as it affects your final returns, guys. So you need to keep that on too, because it will charge you something 40 rupees. And also in India there is a lot of tax system also is there for that. If you are getting some return, you need to file based on your slab rate. And one of the expert tip I will say is, don't put all your money here, because use it just a 2 to 5 percentage diversify for your portfolio. If you buy the gold and silver also, and you need to looking for any other investment like 2 to 5% means, you can put this as another investment, but don't put your all money here. Okay. And the platinum is a long term play on green energy and the future of hydrogen technology, so you can note this also as a pro tip. If you find this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Okay, and check the link in description to download the IndMoney app and start your journey. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. I hope this video will be very useful